Grade 5 spelling list for audience. AUDIENCE. The assembled spectators or listeners at a public event, such as a play, movie, concert, or meeting. Please take a bow for the audience. Housework. HOUSEWORK. Regular work done in housekeeping, such as cleaning, shopping, and cooking. I have a lot of housework to finish. Admire. ADMIRE. Regard with respect or warm approval. They admire her courage. Police. POLICE. The civil force of a national or local government, responsible for the prevention and detection of crime and the maintenance of public order. The police was happy to help him. Wrapping. WRAPPING. Paper or soft material used to cover or enclose something. She bought 5 rolls of wrapping paper. Missiles. MISSILES. An object which is forcibly propelled at a target, either by hand or from a mechanical weapon. The missiles were ready to launch. Appear. APPEAR. Become visible or noticeable, typically without visible agent or apparent cause. The genie will appear if you rub the lamp. Association. ASSOCIATION. A group of people organized for a joint purpose. We have joined the Association of Young People. Mechanic. MECHANIC. A person who repairs and maintains machinery. The mechanic tried his best to fix the old car. Handkerchiefs. HANDKERCHIEFS. A square of cotton or other finely woven material, typically carried in one's pocket and intended for blowing or wiping one's nose. My grandma had assortments of handkerchiefs. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to English Wizard Online for more video tutorials.